Everyone, I'm Cody with Up to Code. I'm going to show you where this part goes here in a sec. But before that, super important tip when you're building or assembling your IKEA kitchen is after you purchase your cabinets, you should get a shopping list. And what this sheet should look like is basically a cabinet number and which part numbers and which pieces are associated with that cabinet. And that'll help you decipher where some of these parts are going. But this little Utrusta, did I butcher that? I'm Danish, not Swedish. So this little drawer front, so like typically in this scenario, we have a drawer front that sits up against the front of the cabinet, sits on the outside. Whereas these little guys, they come with instructions. They're gonna sit in the exact same position, but when you install them, you'll have to be careful of this. I have videos on locating the screw holes for your drawer slides, but these slides right here will get moved back a little bit, and then when it sits, this drawer front's actually going to be finished, but it's going to sit in behind a door. So that's where it's going to sit. So it's going to clip on to the front of this, just like this black one does, but they get set back. And it'll sit like this, and then when you close the door, you don't see them. So they're kind of like a stealth hidden drawer. So that's what these are for. There's various sizes, widths, heights, and part numbers. Stay tuned for that. I'm Cody with Up to Code. Like and subscribe, and let me know if that video helped you.